Are you free after work? Let's go out and have a drink. Let's go out and find something new to eat. That's a good idea. Let's go. I'd love to, but I already have a date. Sorry, I've got a headache. I'd like to go, but I can't. That would be fine. Could we meet for lunch? When do you have in mind? Next Sunday. Where do you have in mind? How about Starbucks? Let's meet at the Cheese Coffee. I'm sorry. I'm busy all day. Can I drive you home? I cannot thank you enough. Great. See you.